Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today I am sharing our favorite comfort dinner, soft, tasty vegetable khichdi, perfect for elders, kids and busy nights. Want a dinner that cooks in one pot, is super light and gives the best sleep? This khichdi is like therapy on a plate. For this khichdi, I have taken half cup of rice, regular raw rice, 1/4 cup of yellow moong dal, 1 ripe red tomato chopped, and mixed vegetables total of 1 cup, that is beans, carrot and green peas I have taken. Apart from that, some very simple spices. So first we will wash the rice and dal and bring it back. First, heat a teaspoon of ghee in your pressure cooker. Add a teaspoon of Jeera, half a teaspoon of Hing, when the Jeera has fried well, add in this chopped tomato. Next, add the chopped vegetables, carrot, beans and peas. Peas you can use fresh or frozen depending on the availability. Add 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. The water is beginning to boil. Now add turmeric powder and salt to taste. Next, add in the washed rice and dal to it. Again, wait for it to come to a boil once more. It has started boiling again. Now we will cover this. Cook it for 1 whistle and switch it off. While we are waiting for the pressure to be released from the cooker, let's roast one appalam and keep ready to go with the khichdi. Appalam or papad, whichever you have at home, dry roasted, great accompaniment for khichdi. The pressure has released. Let's look at our cooker. See, lovely steaming hot khichdi. Especially on these cold winter nights, absolute comfort food. Simple, soft. We can mash it lightly. Now we'll serve out this lovely steaming hot khichdi. Vegetable khichdi full of the goodness of all vegetables. With some curd, I have some mango pickle avocado which we made in summer. You can use any pickle which you have at home. And of course, our roasted papad and some ghee on top. Total comfort food. Try this for tonight's dinner and you will love it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.